I'd like to welcome you to my channel, to my YouTube channel. At the end of the video, you can click and subscribe once you have seen this. You have read something. If you like it, you can subscribe. So now I'm going to explain the effects of smoking, especially to those people who are pregnant as well as those who oversmoke. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Those people who oversmoke, right? So. Um, the initial part where I'm going to tackle is shrinking of the baby size. So within the womb, the baby will start shrinking because of the carbon monoxide which is getting inside of the baby. The baby is supposed to be receiving the oxygen from the mother, but because of the smoke that maybe the mother or is taking, and then you find that the baby is getting affected because of those carbon monoxide once combined with hemoglobin, forming the carboxyhemoglobin, which is going to affect the cells of the baby. As a result, it's really important that we have to make sure that these pregnant women they are not exposed to be smoking. Any kind of smoke, which can affect their health status of their babies. So you find that the baby cells they start dying off. As a result, um, the baby will start shrinking within the mother's womb. The other part is where we are talking about the damaging of the cells of the baby because of carbon monoxide, which is not needed for the cell's growth. As a result, the baby cells, instead for the baby to be increasing in numbers, they will start dying off. It means they will start um, decreasing in numbers. So it's really important that we have to make sure that these pregnant women they have to be taught about the effects of the smoking while they are pregnant. Then the another part that I have to also to raise is uh, it can result to high blood pressure. High blood pressure can come in because of the this there's the low supply of the oxygen to the cells, so the cell will need oxygen and nutrients for them to grow. So because of there is uh, low oxygen to the cells, then it's going to cause the heart to be pumping so high the blood, so that it had to supply the oxygen and nutrients to the cells. As a result, a person will be facing some complication like high flow of the blood, so they had to supply uh, the, the the oxygen nutrients to the cells. These are some of the things that is really important that we have to notice as you are one of the maybe people who are exposed to the smoking or addictions. The other part is it might result to lung cancer. You understand? It can result to lung cancer, which is really bad. Once a person is smoking, there will be some maybe because of those damaging of the cells, and because the growth of the cells will be not in that stable way. As a result, there will be abnormal multiplication of the cells in the lungs, and causing some infections to the lungs, which is not good. So another part is it can result to premature birth, or a baby who is going to be born might be premature, might not grow to the point that he or she is matured, right? Because these cells they are not growing in a scheduled time, so they are obstructive, right? So it's really important that we have to make sure that these cells, these babies, we make sure that they are receiving the good health from the mothers by providing a nice information to the mothers, so that these baby they are not exposed to such conditions, so that the growth the frequency of the growth, it has to be scheduled as per period that is supposed to be. So this is one thing that I wanted to share with you. Thank you very much for attending this